Alright, hopefully she'll stay on me. Keep her revving up. Alright. Hey, Dana here. Welcome to Searching For. Just got my cable. Alright, what I was waiting on was my cable. And I did not get a cable with this other Lowrance. So I had to order that. I'll get my butt back online. Getting this together. My next step is going to be getting the, working on getting the Lowrance cable, AME. Very good. Freaking got here pretty much overnight. This is going on the 5-inch. I wound up getting the 9-inch system here. All kinds of. This is the 6-wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wire. You're only going to use your hard wire. You're only going to use the red wire. I guess you can say that orange. Red, yellow, and black. Your yellow one is your sleep wire. It wakes things up. Should I say wake wire? These here, they go to the other part of the system, which I'm not using. But you're talking $3 difference. So you know, if you ever decide to get another system, you're going to want to go ahead and get this one. Get those wires. So you're not stuck. So you're going to have 2-wire, you're going to have 3-wire, 4-wire. Okay, so nice. Now I'm gonna set this up for its own power setup. I've already got it hooked to the skimmer. The next step is to get it so I can get them hanging over the side. Alright, so there's that. I'll carry this. No, I don't want that. That's the one I want. Let's go back to the wiring situation. I have another like this here. I'm gonna have it as a automobile plug-in. I got this one set up on now. Black wire. So now, back to the drawing board. Those clean. That yellow wire, I don't know if I need it for anything actually, because what you do is you hook it to another. In this case, in this case here, I got it connected to the structure setup, and that wakes that up. This one may not need that. He gave me see what's in here. Okay, yeah, definitely. Yeah. Look, they sent me sent me with 2 fuses. So a 3 and a 5 goes in this. And I've got another one here. Where'd you go? Yeah, I've got another one here. Okay, there we go. There's what I was looking for right here. So you have one right here already. Comes with that. I just didn't know what size fuses. Got a 5 and a 3. So that's great. These are the old car style fuses. So alright, fantastic. So this one goes on. This one will plug to this one. Give me these little crimpers. Push them in there like that. Come together. And you squeeze them. Alright, sweet. I wanted that because this one here has already got, it's got a fuse already built into it. This one did not. That's why I had this ready to do that. And I got this. Yeah, I didn't realize they were going to send me a nice little fuse for it. It's fantastic. Oh, that's sweet. Alright. On my own. You can use those. Just take them, put them together. Going all the way up there. Yeah, put them on there like that and take your crimper. Put together. There we go. Which positive. You know. Go ahead and do that. Up an egg. Okay, there we go. All right. We now have all right. Now I went out and picked me up a you're running too. There's the inflator. Alright, so I went out and bought a dual cigarette lighter plug. So one's for setting up the 7-inch. I got the 7-inch now connected to the structure scan. And then I've got the skimmer connected to the 5-inch. Now, take this. I like it. We just got to get a little bit of setup on the wiring. Alright, power here. Okay, so now we got both Lowrances. That's the 7-inch. You got the 6-inch. Power on. Power on. Very nice. Waiting for them to fire up now. Okay. Enter. I've got no. Enter. In a stimulus mode, I suppose. There we go. I got nothing. I don't know if I need my. I've got. It says no sonar. That one's hooked up and working correctly because that's coming off of your. That one there. That's filed off of there. And then your butt's supposed to be coming off of here. So that's running off of. That's running off of this. You hear the crickets? Go to pages. Oh, okay. We're not running. That's why. We're running sonar because that's all we're doing. Sonar, structure, I'm not doing structure. We're doing this radar. And that is, okay, so you're just doing sonar. We're just doing sonar now on this one. So that's just the down, this is the skimmer. Okay. Okay, so that's actually working. We got them all together. Everything's functional. Everything's reading. Because if it wasn't reading, I'd have something saying it's not reading. Let's see. Let's go to. We're doing sonar. Okay. What we got going here? Alarm. Okay. Alright, so we're done. We now have all my sonar systems set up now. And now it's just gonna be a matter of I need to change things here. Menu. It's too dark. Adjust. I don't know. I can't even read what I'm reading. It's so dark. I have to get that. That's perfect. I just need to get this bright. I need a light. Look at the light. See, I need a light. I need a light to read light. Adjust settings. Source, log, stop sonar. Oh yeah. Okay. Measure distance, structure scan, view. what I need. That's what I'm missing. Light right here. Okay, that's why. Alright, there we are. We're back to where we were. Exit. Standby. Brightness is at max. Alright. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Max. Serious. Night mode, power off. Alright. We're good. Okay, close. Alright, let's go back to pages. Sonar. There we are. Now I can. How's that look on the screen? Can we actually see both of them now? Alright, sweet. There we are. We are good shape. I go back to sonar. No, you're actually sonar now. So, alright, there we go. Now I just got to build my rails so I can drop the transducers into the water. So other than that. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Contact me if you have something that needs to be searched. Also, if I can't search it, I'll be passing it on to Adventures with Purpose and Jared. And then, if he has something that needs to be searched, he'll be sending me information as well. So, no matter what needs to be searched, don't hesitate to get in touch with me, and we'll be in contact. Thanks again. You'll catch me on the next Searching For.